Hi, my name is Gabriel, and I just want to share my experience with David, Saperstein, and Salomon. Reason I'm using this firm because I was involved in an accident, and I was seeking for legal advice. They did a tremendous job. I'm very satisfied with the way I was treated in this firm. Yeah, Mark, was upfront with me. He told me what to do and what to expect, and how long this was gonna take. And in the long run, it was worth the wait. And every time I called for any questions or anything, Mark's secretary always, was very, calm and letting me know what's going on. The staff that helped with my case, they did a tremendous job. I'm very happy. I will tell them to check out the firm of David, Saperstein, and Salomon, because they work, very well for my case, and I'm pretty sure they will do a good job for theirs. Thanks to the other, Mark and the staff, they did a really good job.